how to change the size of app icons on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change the size of app icons on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, being able to change the size of the applications icons on the Android is really dependent on the type of Android that you use, because many manufacturers, based on their own ROMs, they actually give you different customization features, and just because I have the feature in mind doesn't mean that the feature also exists in yours, because this is an Android and all Androids are not same, though it is just based on the open source project. Different Android versions has different customizations. The easiest way you can do so is by simply installing a launcher. When you install a launcher, the launcher gives you more access to these features. But if you don't have a launcher, if you're not willing to do so, just long press on an empty space on a home screen on your Android smartphone. Then you'll find this option known as home settings. You can tap on home settings here. Once you tap on home settings, right over here you'll be able to see all the sorts of options. If you find the option to change the icons within this, you can go ahead and then do that. Otherwise, you can long press on it, tap on wallpaper and style. When you go to wallpaper and style right over here, the easiest way that you can basically change your app icons is by simply increasing the grid size, because the higher you increase the grid size, the smaller the icons are going to get, because the more icons should be able to fit. So currently it's set to 5:5, but when I select 5:7, right over here the icons are going to get much smaller. If I select 6:6, you can see the icons are going to get much more smaller in this case, as you would be able to find it. So this is the only way you can figure it out. Otherwise, you can just come back over here, you can just select the app grid to maybe 5:5 to make it more smaller, or depending upon what you wish in this case. This way you can go ahead and then basically change size of app icons on Android. But as I said, this is really a customization feature, so instead of searching for Android, I want you to actually also search by a specific model name. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.